Have you ever watched a TV show and thought, man, I could totally do that? Well, for me, that show was Forged in Fire. I've seen every single episode, and I'm usually the guy yelling at the TV like, it's never gonna forge. You gotta let the whiteout dry first, dumbass. But here's the thing. I've never actually forged a knife in my life. Not even once. So I decided, you know what? Screw it. Let's see if I can actually do it, just from watching TV. So I reached out to a local blacksmith shop. Shout out to ButterHog Forge. He has classes where he teaches people of all skill level how to forge a knife. So I reached out to him. I was like, hey, I've never forged a knife before, but I think I'm pretty capable of doing it. If I pay you for a class, will you let me just show up and try to forge a knife on my own? And he was like, okay, but you don't want any help? I was like, no. Just be there in the background, have a conversation with me, and if I start screwing something up or I start going in the wrong direction, just stop me and then you can help me from then on. And he was like, okay. So I showed up, and right away I could tell he thought I was full of crap. I told him, I watch a lot of Forged in Fire, and I'm pretty confident I can forge a knife on my own. So, skeptically, he fired up the forge, and I grabbed a railroad spike, threw it in the fire, and we're off. And after a few hours of heating, hammering, and pretending like I knew what I was doing, I actually had a knife. He only helped correct my hammering strikes once, and he gave me some helpful tips when it came to sharpening, but other than that, it was all me. When I got home, I was hooked. I'm sitting there scrolling through forges, anvils, and hammers, basically looking at how deep this new hobby could ruin my bank account. Spoiler, it's pretty deep. So that's when I decided I would do what any broke DIY would do, is build my own tools. That's when I found this channel called HouseMade. He builds knife making tools from scratch and sells plans for his Revolution 2x72 belt grinder, one of the most essential tools for knife making. So I bought his plans, printed them out, and made a supply run to the metal store. Back in the shop, I started cutting all the tubing down to rough size. Then I cleaned my metal and glued on the true to size templates from HouseMade. And then drilled and ground everything down to the actual dimensions. Once that was done, I soaked all the pieces in vinegar overnight to eat off all the mill scale. It's a cheap trick and it works great. The next day I fired up the plasma cutter and cut out the base plate. Made quick work of the 2 square holes where the support arms will eventually weld in. And that's where I'm at right now. I was able to cut 2 holes in about 11 minutes where the drill press, I had 1 hole drilled and a bunch of other ones started. That took me about an hour. And that's where I'm at right now. The next step is to weld these support arms to this base plate and get this thing assembled. But motors and VFDs are stupid expensive, and I'm not made of money. So I'm doing this build a little at a time. So if you want to see this grinder come to life, and maybe see me forge a way better knife next time, hit that subscribe button, because this story is just getting started.